Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. My best greeting to Erbil and the people of Erbil. I'm very impressed with everything I saw and met, especially the people of Erbil. They are good-hearted people. They are that believe in humanity more important than the financial growth, which I respect a lot. My name is Adilcho Nobel Hansen. I'm American citizenship, live in Orange County, California, and I work in two clinics. One is the urology group of Southern California. I work 2 days a week in Los Angeles, and I also faculty member of the Academy of Regenerative Medicine. And with those two jobs, I can't even retire because I love my job and I appreciate it. I came yesterday and I visit with a good friend of mine, and he became even more friend by name of Haj Ahmed Ismail. And during our talk, he mentioned to me that he owned a charity hospital that taking care of many orphanage. And I was impressed and touched my heart that there is such people in this world now. They don't think about any financial gain, but they try to serve the humanity. And who need more humanity and who need more help than the orphanage? And this morning I came and met my good colleague, another surgeon with the good heart and good hand too. See, the good hand, it comes also with the good heart. And I'm very impressed. He gave me an introduction to the hospital and what the hospital do and how they have a special system to help the orphanage. And also there is in the future expansion of the hospital to build a center for autism. And autism, as you know, it's a big problem and a big disease. Like, for example, I mentioned to you, I don't know the statistic here in Kurdistan or in Iraq in general, or even in the Middle East. The only people they did a real statistic without bias are United States of America, not because I'm from there, but they did the statistic and they find that 10 years ago there was one in like 100,000 of the people, one child was born with autism. Now they are almost one in 10 of the people who are born with the autism. And autism is not a disease, is a syndrome disorder that have wide spectrum. It goes from depression to Asperger disease or syndrome to the ADHD to even people with the PTSD and adult people, they suffer from that. So it's really wide spectrum of disease. So it need more than just one doctor, one treatment. It need a group of doctors, it need a consultant, and it need the collaboration between the government, between the patient parent, between the doctor, between the health system, and also need facilities. So what's the point if you teach them how to read and write and then they can't walk and they have some trouble with their coordination with their fine motor? So it needs a lot of rehab. And with building with the center like this, as you pointed to me, Dr. it's the greatest idea. And I think the whole world should know how to treat the patient with the autism, because in 2007, the United Nations announced that April 2nd will be the day for autism, for the people who suffer, the National Day for Autism. And there's from 2007, nothing happened until 2017, when Sheikh Hamose from Qatar decided to make this an not only international day, but she asked all the government in all the world to do something about the autism. And since 2017, there was some survey in United Arab Emirates and Qatar to see the number of patients who are suffering from autism. So I hope there will be similar survey here in Kurdistan and in Iraq in general. And I hope you will succeed in building such autism center to cure those people, because in the past with those people, believe it or not, they put them in an institute as they treat them as they are mentally disabled, and they are not mentally disabled. And I had to say, like, there are some famous people who have autism and they overcome autism. And I could mention, like, we all know Elon Musk have autism, yet he's one of the smartest people in the world. Same with some famous people, athletic people who are very famous in the sport. They have that well, I hate to say disease because it's not disease.
میهرەبانی هی هەمووانە لە بۆ هەمووان ئەو بەردەوامین ڕۆژ بە ڕۆژ شتی جوانتر کەسی باشتر خزمەتی گەورەتر بە پشتیوانی خوای گەورە بەردەوامین ئەمگۆش بەردەوام بن لەگەر میهرەبانی.
Whatever he said, I second it.
میهرەبانی دڵسۆزی و لێزانی